All right, so the Tiffen company, they're the OG when it comes to filters. They've been creating for Hollywood, broadcast, television for decades. They've also been creating the thread-on filters that we use on our lenses and have been using for a very long time. Now, all of those popular filters like Glimmer Glass, V&D, the Black Pro Mist, they're all available in a magnetic system called the Magnetic Control System, which means all of their most popular award-winning filters are now available to easily and quickly secure to the front of your lens via a very strong magnet. With the Tiffen magnetic control system, it allows you to magnetically attach all of your Tiffen filters to the front of your camera lens in a fast and secure way. There are no clunky locking mechanics. It is simply a magnet. All of the magnetic filters come with a front and rear cap that is metal and also magnetic. So they just snap onto the front and you can throw it in your bag. You don't have to worry about any other cases or anything else to protect the filters. So once you screw on the magnetic adapter, your lens is pretty much ready for a filter whenever you are. The magnetic adapters are available in step-up rings as well. So if you're anything like me and you like to just have one size filter and put it on all of your lenses, you can buy the magnetic step-up adapters to go with it. And last but certainly not least, all of Tiffen's best filters like the Black Pro Mist, the Circular Polarizer, the Glimmer Glass, V&Ds, they're all available in the magnetic control system, and you can stack them all right on top of each other, and they all come with the front and rear cap. So I don't know, this might just be the last filter system that I ever use.